What's today's date, Paul?
Today's the 29th.
Hey guys, it's December 29th. I'm out here with my good buddy Paul. We're gonna do some offshore crappie fishing out in some open water. Paul, you hadn't never done much of that, right?
No, sir. I don't know anything about it.
Okay.
But I'm gonna learn.
But Paul's got a live scope, so he may not know how to catch one of these fish like this, because he's been watching his video game every time he comes. So we're gonna kind of isle around out here and see what we can find. We already saw some right here. I'm gonna show you what they look like on the graph. Give you an indication of what we're looking at. Let's see if you can see it here. We need to get out a little deeper than this. Seemed like most of the fish we saw were between 25 and 28 feet, somewhere in that neighborhood, just hanging real tight to the bottom. Let's see. There's a few fish right there. As you can tell, I've been up and down through here quite a bit with my lines here on the trails. So you can see these fish just hanging real tight to the bottom right here. And we're just going to drag some jigs down this. We're going to stay on this contour and we're just going to drag them down through this area right here. See if we can't teach Paul how to catch them. It's pretty simple. Key is just finding the fish and finding active fish. It seems like they move a lot with the bait. Look at that big ball of bait right there, and you can see the fish stacked up underneath it right there. So that's what we're going to do. Looks like a pretty good little stretch of them right there. They got a little shallower, 24 feet. We'll drag through there and see if we can't catch a few. Y'all stay with us.
We need my purple, man.
What?
The first time I went there, I didn't know anything about the lake. And so when I came out of Johnson Creek, I just went to where those boats were. I was like, well,
yeah,
we don't fish, right?
Yeah, right. Just go with the fish.
Yeah, and sure enough, there's a lot of fish down there. I mean, I caught some doing that, kind of like this, but a bunch of them were sand bass.
Oh, really?
Yeah, and I was like, man, I'm out on this. So that first time I went there, I spent like a half a day just trying to find some trees. And then after I found those trees, man, they're in there on a creek channel like that.
Yeah.
Buddy, there he is.
Look out, old Bucky's back in town, Paul.
On the double.
Yeah. He's not very big though, I don't think. Oh, he ain't bad. Thank you.
On the double.
That's two. I don't know if y'all seen this rig, the way I rigged this up. I've got it mentioned on another video. Y'all might look at it and see, but I used two little snaps, one right here, one right here. I can sure change jigs a whole lot quicker with it like that, just in case the color I'm using didn't work. Very light. Strange, yeah, really light bite. That's your stuff.
Oh, is it? Okay.
For some reason, this unit, the transducer picks up over there, and it don't pick up over here on this side. That's the craziest thing I ever heard of. How does it just read one side and not the other?
Right.
Yeah, you're running a bunch of fish right there, see? Come right at it, Paul. See you come up? Yeah, this one right here came up and looked at the sea. There he is back. I was gonna say, I can see him come up after it. Yeah, there you go. Nice little black crappie.
And I still got my nibble.
Oh man, if you keep your nibble, that's a heck of a deal.
That's a good day, isn't it? So down there. Beautiful after it is.
You ain't kidding. I mean, I was watching the forecast and it said it was going to be 15 miles.
I saw that. It said, anytime I say where it says 10 to 15, I'm like, good.
Yeah, it's going to blow like 20.
Yeah. The ones you want, they don't miss on usually where it says like the variable. That's good.
Down there, buddy. You said lots of them still down there.
I'm ready. What color did you catch yours on?
That gray one.
Shoot, dog.
They're eating that thing. That's your new favorite color since
I
it got fall, right?
Dude, I've been killing them on purple.
Because all summer you caught them on chartreuse and white and pink and chartreuse.
Yeah, pink and chartreuse is my color. Now it's purple. Purple and yellow.
Good there. That's a brush. Watch how you get one that's nasty.
Oh, bud.
Y'all in.
Oh, bud. You way above it? Good dog.
Oh, and I got, oh, he got,
BW?
I think he got, oh, he's so tiny. Oh my God. Oh man. Shoot. Well, to you guys that don't know it, starting December 1st through February 1st, this is a legal fish on Lake Fork, unfortunately. Look how little the guy is. You have to keep the first 25 you catch during those months. So, that'll be a little chip, little fish chip. Oh, he was around that brush too, see?
I saw that.
So, you know, it's strange. You get around the brush and the smaller fish
Start hitting you.
are around the brush. You get out in the open water around bait.
Better listen to
Bigger
this.
than that.
Okay, so here's a question I've been wondering. If you're out here on our pine and you catch 25, can you then keep going and let the other ones go? Or do you have to go home?
No, you got to be done.
You gotta go home.
That's right,
Yeah.
because you got to keep them.
Gotcha. Well, that's it.
Yeah, so I mean that's the whole point of keeping them is so
So you
that
don't
they
kill
don't
'em.
die,
Yeah.
because a lot of them are being caught in deep water.
Yeah.
You know, we're not in very deep water. Uh-oh.
You got me again.
Look out, golly.
Digging?
He ain't bad, he ain't as little as that other one was. Oh, Lordy. If I don't lose him. Yeah, we like these kind of balls. White crappie out here mixed in with the black ones. You missed one? Yeah, it's actually, I'm overdressed.
No, I hear you, right? I am too.
I mean, I was thinking, oh, it's going to be cold and rainy because that's what's showing up. And then, now it ain't.
That's when we take it.
Seems to be in that 27. I don't know what happened there. I might come out of this boat for sure. Look at that. You got him,
big
Paul?
boy.
Oh, Lord.
Doubled
I got
up.
one too, buddy.
They might be shrimp, Gary.
Shrimpy? Oh,
He is.
no. Mine ain't too much better. Dang. He's on the chartreuse one, man.
Yeah. They're liking that color today.
No, I caught them others on gray.
Yeah.
Did you see that shad that one of them spit over there?
I saw that. You got 7?
Yeah, 7.
Okay.
And we've been fishing about 30 minutes.
Pretty good.
Not too bad.
That was a really light bite,
Yeah, that was too.
They're down there, though, aren't they?
Yeah, sir, they're down there thick.
Yeah. Now I did, when I was over there the other day, I did see a lot of fish just like this right off bottom. And that guy that was fishing with me, he caught some doing this. I just never spent enough time focusing on him to do it. But I saw a ton of fish right on bottom.
Yeah, isn't it strange that they suspend so much? And like,
It's hard to understand, yeah.
right, so you could go over there in the timber
And you catch them up.
and catch them suspended in the timber, and then right here they're just right off the bottom.
Right.
You know, if you get too high, you won't even catch them because
You
you
gotta
get too
be-
high off the bottom.
You got to be right on them, yeah.
Yeah. I've seen situations where if you're more than an inch or so off the bottom, you
Makes
don't
a
catch
difference.
them. Easy Paul. Better one or a little guy?
Tiny,
Another
tiny,
puny
tiny.
one? Man, we gotta get out of these. That's a bar bass. wasn't it?
Oh, we're good now.
Yeah, we can throw him back.
They're down there too. There you go, buddy. I'm gonna get in there and nibble.
Yeah, you use nibbles. I'm down without them.
I'm a cheater.
Yeah.
You see my new jig box, Gary?
No. What'd you get?
Dude.
Oh, yeah?
I got a new jig box.
How's the, what does it look like on the bottom? Has it got boxes in it?
Yeah, it's got boxes in it, dude.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So I got one box that's all my crappie gear,
Yeah.
and then I got all my plastics in the top of that bag right there. And then I've got my bass box. What I was thinking is like this spring we're just whacking them, and then you should like, hey, that's a 10-pound bass on the bed. Boom.
Yeah.
Flip on it.
Yeah. I'm not gonna do it.
I've never caught a 10-pound bass.
Did you see the post I put on Instagram or whatever it is?
Oh yes, I did. Yes, sir. I sure did. It was a beautiful thing. Alabama race.
Yeah, so that's my biggest one, just right at 12 pounds on the Alabama.
11.994 or something.
Huh?
11.94 or something. Like
97. 11.97.
I just on 12.
And I've caught six over 10 pounds on that Alabama rig.
Ducky boys.
That's a good one there, isn't it?
He's a shrimp, but
Another shrimpy one?
he's a
We
little
gotta
better.
We gotta get out of these.
Get out of him, Gary.
Little guy.
We're on him, though.
Yeah. Take it.
There's a crappie. Man, what beautiful weather. In fact,
We
Gary.
wouldn't even be able to drift for a catfish. There's no wind.
No, dude, we'd just be sitting still.
I brought the drift sock and everything, thinking, oh man, the wind's gonna blow. We're gonna have to drift.
Mm-hmm. You know what's weird is like when I set the hook, he was like underneath the boat, you know, because my line had drifted so far.
Yeah. That's the way I like to do it.
Mm-hmm. Let's do it, man. You got 10 on your count?
Alright, we're at another spot, man. We got to blow it off that other one. Another one, see what happens. Alright, you got it.
Black crappie. We ain't letting this keep it down.
what did we say?
The 29th.
The 29th of December, that's when it is. Well, we ended up with 15 crappies is all we caught before the wind just blew us off of our spot. So I had fortunately brought a drift sock with us and an old drum from back in the spring. So we cut it up, just cut some pieces off of it. It's too frozen to cut half, chunks, so we just cut pieces off of it. We're gonna drift across here and see if we can't catch us a catfish of some kind. So I don't know if we will or not, but we're not ready to go home. So